Hello friends, day 116 and I've clocked up one canal, the Lancaster. So a few days ago I was in the Lake District, but I've done the whole of the Lancaster Canal now and I've come through Preston and I'm a few miles the other side of Preston. It wasn't too difficult leaving the boat this morning. I know some people thought I'd have trouble having gone home for one night, but I'm keen to just keep on walking. So I got up nice and early and I was on the trail by 7 o'clock-ish this morning. I've met some nice people in Preston and I found myself a really good spot tonight, which you will see shortly. If you fancy joining me anywhere, then do let me know in the comments and we can arrange to meet up and you can walk along with me if you'd like, and that would be fun. I'm following canals all the way from here down to Gloucester, well, canals and the River Severn. So if you're anywhere down there, if you want to see the route, there is a link to it from the Just Giving page and from the older videos on YouTube. So let's have a look at a few more pictures of the Lancaster Canal and the Preston area, and I will see you on the trail. How about this for a room with a view? Considering I'm only a couple of miles out of Preston, I'm right opposite Savick Brook, which is the entrance onto the Lancaster Canal.